Hello guys, so I just completed a minimum MVP for this CamFit project. So I'll just show you this, show you the demo. So it will be a very short video. So let me run my GUI. Okay, it popped up. Okay, so now I will be connecting my Mac first. Okay, so let's start streaming. Okay, cool. So you guys can see. Okay, and I will work on the styling, but I will show you what I have done. Okay, then let me connect my iPad also. Start streaming. Okay, so my iPad has started, and you can see uh, the streams from my Mac. Okay, or maybe I can change the name for the viewer. um, Stop it. Mac, start streaming. Yeah, so the first thing that you are seeing is from my Mac, and this is for yeah, this thing from my Mac, and this thing is streaming from my iPad, as you can see here. Okay, yep. And let me connect my phone also. Okay, so my phone, let's start streaming, and yeah, my phone is added. Okay, cool. Now one more thing, I have a laptop here. Okay, and I'll be connecting that also. Give me a sec. Cool. So all four thing you can see. Okay, let me open a grid view also. So yeah, you can see me. Okay, and all of my devices are streaming me. Okay, you can see behind, as you can see here, my laptop is a Legion monitor, and that is also streaming me. Okay, so yeah, this is the minimum, this is the MVP that I have created till now. Okay, and yeah, so I'm a little bit excited about it because yeah, all of them are connected to my local network, and they are streaming FPS. Okay, and so yeah, this is the MVP. I'm a little bit excited, I don't know why. Okay, cool. So yeah, but still there are certain features that I need to implement. So right now these recordings are only streaming out videos. Okay, and they are not capturing any audio. Okay, so for that I'm planning to upgrade my WebSocket connection to a WebRTC connection. Okay, and also you can see like some styling changes need to be done. Okay, because the aspect ratio of every stream is not consistent. Okay, if I select, let's say, my Mac is somehow good. Okay, the Legion thing, okay, that guy is sharing very poor quality. Okay, let's not focus on that. But if I look at my phone, okay, so you can see the aspect ratio is not that good. Okay, because in my phone the streaming is happening like this. Okay, um, if you can see the screen. Okay, cool. But yeah, it's not working. And also the flip functionality. Okay, I can simply flip my screen. Okay, so yeah, in all of those devices I can flip my screen, like flip the camera. Right now my phone is streaming out using its rear camera. Okay, so yeah, now I will just flip it again. Now yeah, again the connection is established. Cool. So yeah, as I was saying, so a couple of things needs to be implemented. So right now, no audio capturing is happening. Okay, and also there is no saving of these streams are happening. Okay, so right now these are just simple streams, so no recordings are happening. So that's a issue. You can think like that will be a future feature that I need to implement. Okay, cool. And if you guys are liking the project, so I have created a GitHub repo here. Okay, I will add this link of this repo in my video. So there are a couple of issues that I have created, and if you guys are interested, you can like contribute. Okay, so yeah, cool. So I'm pretty excited. So the code for the complete GUI setup and uh, yeah, a couple of React stuff that I have written here. Okay, maybe here. Yeah, app.tsx. Yeah, so yeah, couple of front-end libraries that I have written here, and how I'm like buffering the frame. So I'll be creating a separate video for that, and just stay tuned to watch that. Okay, I'll be sharing those videos shortly. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about this MVP because I didn't bought any CCTV camera. All my devices are now acting as a camera, and you can see they are real time. I'm shaking my hands, and all of them are streaming out the same frame, like at the same time. So yeah, cool. So I'm pretty excited. So I'll be creating whatever I did in a separate video shortly. And if you guys are liking this playlist, please just stay tuned. Okay. And if you like this project, just subscribe to the channel so that you guys will get notified about the videos. Cool. Cool. So I'm pretty excited. So just stay tuned and to watch more videos on this Campfit project. Cool. Bye bye.